अमरीकी महकमा खारजा की तर्जुमान ने वाज़ेह किया है कि पहलगाम वाक़े पर अमरीकी वज़ीर खारजा मार्को रूबियो पाकिस्तान और भारत के वज़ीर खारजा से आज या कल बात करेंगे। तर्जुमान टेमी ब्रूस ने पहलगाम वाक़े के बाद बढ़ती हुई कशीदगी पर दोनों ममालिक को पुरअमन रहने का मशवरा दे दिया।
We are reaching out regarding the Kashmir situation, India and Pakistan, that he said we are reaching out to both parties. And telling, of course, them to not escalate the situation. The Secretary expects to speak with the foreign ministers of Pakistan and India as early as today or tomorrow. He is encouraging other national leaders, other foreign ministers, to also reach out to the countries on this issue. So it is, again, as I've noted, every day action is being taken in this case, and certainly with President Trump's leadership, India and Pakistan, having those conversations, it's very important for them.